Grayed out Wi-Fi on your iPhone 8 Plus? Hey there, welcome to my channel. I'm here with an advanced fixing guide on how to fix Wi-Fi grayed out problem on your iPhone. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Solution 1. Check the hardware issue. Open the Apple Store, tap the search icon, type check my device in the search bar, then tap and install the icon. Now tap open. After that, tap allow, don't allow. Scroll down, now tap Wi-Fi test. Lastly, tap the test. If it shows that Wi-Fi not working, that means there is a hardware issue. Then you have to contact with Apple Support Center. But before you do, check these quick following settings on your device. Solution 1. Enable and disable airplane mode. Open settings, enable airplane mode, wait for a few seconds. Now disable the airplane mode. If you still have the same problem, go ahead to my next solution. Solution 2. Turn off restrictions. Go to settings, scroll down, tap screen time, scroll down, then tap content and privacy restrictions. Now turn off content and privacy restrictions. After that, check whether your Wi-Fi is enabled or not. Solution 3. Check your software update. Before moving on, make sure that your Wi-Fi or internet connection is on. Open settings, scroll down, tap general, then tap software update. If you see software update is available, then update your iPhone software to fix the problem. Solution 4. Give a reset to all settings and check your issues. Scroll down, tap general, scroll down, then tap on transfer reset iPhone. Now tap reset. After that, tap reset all settings. But make sure that by resetting all settings, all your settings will be set to default, so make sure to remember your password. Then tap reset all settings again. Hope these solutions will solve your problem completely. If you found this video helpful, then hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you have any kind of questions, then please write them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.